Here we're forming teams with team members who do not have any history between them. So for the assignment ABCD, where we have 4 students and we create 2 teams with student A and B in one team and student C and D in one team. Now we're logging in student A account. Here we have to go in the assignment old and we can check that student A has history with student B. You can see right here. You'll just go and check that in your team and just to verify. Now here you can see that student A and student B have been teamed up before for assignment old. Now the logic by top trading cycle service says that if the students have set the preference to have new members allocated on the team for the new assignment, so student B and student B, if they have history, they should not be allocated again in the new assignment and should be swapped with some other team member which do not have a history between them. So that's what we're doing right now. Now for the topic bidding, we will go in the student A's topic bidding and we'll bid for the topics A and B in that order. Now you're going to log out and we will go into student B's account and do the same. Now the reason why we are doing the topics bidding in the same order for student A and B is so that initially they are put in the same teams. After that they have to be swapped with some other student, so that because student A and B have history between them, so they should not be put in same teams together after the swap happens. We're done with student A and B. Now we're going to go for student C and D. I'm going to reverse the order for topics A and B. So we'll bid for topic B first and topic A first for C and D, so that they are put in the same teams together. For student D, we will bid for the topics in the same order as student C. And we're done. Now we will run the intelligent assignment bid. So we're going to log in as instructor. We're going to go to the assignments tab and check for the lottery icon over here for assignment ABCD, which is the new assignment we're doing the top bidding right now. Now this is the intelligent assignment icon, so we're going to click on it and this will run, and intelligent assignment is successfully completed and teams have been formed. After this happens, we will go and verify with teams that we had created earlier, and we will see what student A and B have been teamed up with, and similarly for C and D. Now logging in as a student A. Now here you can see you can see that student A has been teamed with student D because student A had history with student B, so it had to be swapped with some other student. Similarly, we will check for student B. There we go. So student B and C have been teamed up together because they did not have any history between them. You can see the history also. You can see that student B and C have been teamed up together. For the final time, we will see for student D. You can see it has been teamed up with student A, that we saw before for student A also, but just to be sure. Okay, so we have verified that the new teams have been formed with students in them who do not have history between them. Now we're just testing the scenario with our spake test case that we have written that simulates the whole process that we have just shown in the demo. So we're just going to simply run the test case and show that it passes. And in the lottery controller spec, we have created a test case called verifies if the swap functionality properly works. So we're simulating the same scenario here, and we're just going to go ahead and run it. It's just going to take a while. And the test case passes. So it verifies that the swap functionality works. Thank you.